Well, I don't see anything. Not there.
That's weird.
It is very weird.
Is it up here? Oh, here it is.
Why'd you do that? So, welcome to the Jeep again. We bought this and it came with Airforce 1 already on it. But the guy, when he sold his RV, he sold the air tank part with, or didn't get it off. So we had to order that. This is the D'Amico Airforce braking system. So we've got, supposedly we had somebody coming out here to put one on here at the campground, but they didn't show up after 3 or 4 times. So we're gonna have that done Tuesday before we head down to Gulf Shores, because it's no fun hooking this thing up the way we have to hook it up all the time. And you want to know how silly I was? I didn't know to look up that way for this. For this. I was looking to pull it up this way. Anyway. Maggie! Where you at? Where are you at? Okay. So I don't have to get down on the floor.
Tell them about what everybody says there's a place in here to do it, but a place already done in the back of the Tiffins. Huh? What was the line? Just going back to the back. That's not the...
Okay, well, we've been trying to find... Whoa, bump ahead. There's supposed to be a line leading back here to put... the airline on. But, I mean, the Airforce 1 on, but we cannot, for the life of us, see it. I don't know where it is, where it might be. You know, have we looked on the internet for it?
I don't know.
Okay.
The problem is that if we bought the system, the kit for the RV, and our last RV, our Fleetwood, had it in the back. The hose ran out the back, ready to hook up. So if we take it over to the place, I think we got an appointment on Tuesday. Take it over to the place, that if they find it already under there, just save us a bunch of money. And we have on our dash a check engine light on too that we need to find out.
I see a water airline, unless it's one of these things, Tommy. That's got a hole in it.
No, that's a drain for that radiator.
Okay. Well, then I don't know where else to look. Just to be honest, I don't know.
And it said, but the thing that really gets me is it says that we have it on everything. I've read about the Tiffin and everything says we have an airline going to the back, but on this particular coach it does not. So basically this one is to see if the someone can tell us too. Maybe we're just
not looking in the right
dummies about it.
Speak
what
for
about
yourself, dear.
What about it?
Speak for yourself. I'm no dummy.
What?
Anyway, I honestly believe it's here somewhere. I just don't know where. That's just me.
Well, the other one had a place out the back right in here. It was mounted where you just hooked it up. But I don't think this has got the kit on it. There's a little bit's outside now. Maggie's down there, a little bit's outside. It's nice up here now, but it's supposed to be 18 tomorrow night. And we are still the only ones here at the Sand Mountain RV park here. We're still the only ones.
We've been here 2 weeks.
Been 2 weeks and nobody here.
Nobody.
But us. And it's a really, really nice park. Nice showers and everything. Hey, Peanut.
I missed the step again.
What?
I missed the step and it slipped off.
Then,
I know.
where are you going?
I'm gonna get a grill out of
Moses is right there. And we love our Jeep. We love our Jeep so far. We just got, because it came with this, I had to buy these adapters for my Blue Ox. Right there. It's $125. And it's already got set up for the Airforce One Demco. And it's already got set up for lights. And right now we're just using our brake buddy. But it would make it so much easier just to plug it in. That's it. So that's where we're at. If somebody knows, hey, we're admitting we don't know. And what I was looking at this, I'm not sure is, it looks like this is another battery up underneath there. I've heard that they have some have 2 batteries, so I don't know. Anyway, we're learning. Ha 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 ha. That's not funny.
I'm sorry. I just had to do it.
Alright, well, come back and see us in
Hey,
this
give
short
us a
video.
thumbs up if you like these videos, or a thumbs down if you don't. Tell us what you want to see, what you don't want to see, and we will get back on the road.